Alright, YouTubers. Here we see a baby sidewinder. I bought this off eBay. It was in non-working condition. A bit risky, but it has well paid off. I've ran the new lead wires into the motor. It's been rewired in its life already. Once you can see the green wires, that's existing. I've added the black and white for the new run. The blades will have to be rolled on it. And it sounds like the bearing could use a little bit of TLC. But like I said, turn the freshen air off so we can hear this. And I got this non-working, yada yada. So now, let's turn it on. Cleaning a little bit of oil out. I'm gonna say this thing flies. A little unbalanced, let's do the blades. You have to see the coils in there. Very happy this runs. On full power, drawing 1.638, 1.64 with the blades on it. With no blades, the motor itself is 1.3 amps. I checked it with the meter and everything like that. Everything seems good. Nothing's open. Nothing's shorting. Nothing seems like it's having issues. So this thing's in really good shape. Just has to get a new coat of paint. And the blade's taken care of, and it'll be good as new as long as that bearing's alright. Doesn't sound that bad actually, the bearing. Let's go ahead and walk over here. Let's see. Alright, so here's the switch. The switch probably still good. It needs a little bit of a cleaning and needs a new chain. I may use this one. I have spares of on-off ones, so I might just put another on-off one inside there. The real culprit was this. You can see all that wire. This was inside the switch house. You can see all that wiring was just fully apart. I mean, you can hear it crackling. This is like an old extension cord someone used, thinking it would be a good replacement. The other thing that kind of sucks is the cover broke. Like I said, I have spares, so most likely this will use an on-off switch I have spares of. It does have the spacer, which is right here. So I'll keep that. And yeah. How cool is that? Very, very strong breeze underneath this thing. Actually, now that I think about it, I don't know if this thing has a tag on it or not. It might be painted over. Let's let it spin down. And we'll go from there and see if the tag's on. I'm assuming there's a tag on it. And turn the freshened air back on new. So I have a little bit of a breeze. It is Florida after all. I want to assume the tag's still on there. But I'm just now thinking about it this way. I didn't even check for the tag when I opened it. So I don't see a tag. Wow, that's a very sudden stop on that. So I don't see a tag or holes for a tag, so it's missing its tag, which kind of sucks, but no big deal. I know what it is. The bearings probably need a little bit of TLC. I'll probably do a full tear down on this fan, make sure everything internally is cleaned out and good and running. I'll look inside of here. Thanks again for watching, guys.